Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we will see how to make a very interesting recipe from Karnataka, that is Thatte Idli, and along with that we will make a 10-minute Sambar. Come, let's see how to make this tasty Thatte Idli and a 10-minute Sambar. Thatte Idli gets its name because it is made in these thattes or plates. So we get a special stand like this in which we keep the plates and pour the batter and steam the idlis. So first I will grease the plates and keep it ready. You can grease it with oil or ghee. I prefer to use ghee because it gives an additional flavor to the idlis. Let's have a look at our idli batter. See, it has fermented and risen well also. So we will just give it a gentle mix. See the consistency of the batter. Now we will pour out this batter into these plates. Don't make it very full because you need to give some gap for the idli to rise. Now place these plates on this Thatte idli stand like this. See, like this. See, I have kept some water for boiling in the base of my pressure cooker. You can keep it in whichever idli cooker you have. Place this stand. And since my stand is quite tall, I am just covering it with this dish like this, and over a medium flame we will steam it for 10 minutes. Since I did not go to the shop myself, the correct size of the stand we didn't get, that's why I am steaming it like this. When you buy your stand, you can buy a stand which will fit into your idli cooker or pressure cooker or whichever steamer that you have. Now I will make the 10-minute sambar. So by the time your idlis are steamed, your sambar is also ready. This, heat a tablespoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds, methi seeds, 1 dry red chilli, 1 cube of hing, some curry leaves, 1 green chilli, 1 onion I have sliced. Just saute this a little bit. Add salt to taste. When the onions are done, I am adding 2 ripe red tomatoes which I chopped. We will fry these also. Stir fry them all together till the tomatoes have become a little bit soft. Add turmeric powder. This is homemade sambar powder. I am adding 2 teaspoons. Stir fry everything well together. We will cook it a little more till the tomatoes become soft. Cook it covered for 2 to 3 minutes. While that is cooking, we will make a powder of this chutney dal or roasted gram. I have taken 1/4 cup. Just run it in the mixie till it becomes a fine powder. Now let's check our tomatoes. See, they have become soft. At this stage, I am adding this tamarind paste. You can add about half a teaspoon of tamarind paste to this. Mix everything well again. Now add in 1 cup of water. And allow it to come to a boil. See, our roasted gram is powdered well. Take a tablespoon of the powder in a bowl and we'll make this into a paste. Just add a little water and make it into a paste. See, our idlis are done. I am switching off the gas now. You can just check by wetting your hands and see it is not sticking with your finger. That means it is done. See, our sambar is boiling well now and the raw smell of the tamarind and sambar powder has gone. So now we'll add this dissolved roasted gram powder to it and also top it up with another cup of water. Now mix it well and allow everything to come to a boil once again. Since we are making it as a tiffin sambar, I am just adding a small piece of jaggery for added taste. This is optional. See, our sambar is again boiling well now, and a tiffin sambar need not be very thick. This consistency is perfect when you have it with idli, dosa, pongal. I have just a few more curry leaves on top. We can switch it off now. Our sambar is ready. Now let's have a look at the idlis. Carefully remove it from your steamer. Open the stand like this. Then remove the plates. Always just wait for a minute once you remove the plates and then remove out the idli so that it will come out clean. Sprinkling some water on the idlis. First, loosen it out from the edges with a wet spoon like this. Now we can easily remove it from here. See, our Thatte idli, so well done and soft and spongy it is. See how easily it comes out. The plate is also clean and with the flavor of ghee because we have smeared the plate with ghee. Now we are ready to serve out our idli and sambar. So if you want to have the sambar separately, you can keep it in a bowl like this. Or if you are a person like me who likes to dunk their idli in sambar. So lovely steaming hot Thatte idlis and sambar. You can have it with chutney or molaga podi too as per your choice. Now wasn't that easy? Perfectly soft and spongy Thatte idlis with steaming hot sambar ready in 10 minutes. No need to pressure cook dal, no need to grind any coconut, and the taste is really good. So especially when you are on a work day morning and your family likes idli with sambar, then definitely go in for this recipe. Try out the recipe. With this quantity of rice and dal, you can make about 8 to 10 Thatte idlis depending on the size. I'll give you the link to this Thatte idli stand also in the description box. And if you ask me, ma'am, can I just make it as regular idlis? Of course you can. You can use your regular idli mold also to make these idlis. One advantage I find that washing up becomes easier because you just have to wash the plates instead of washing those idli molds, and the taste is good. So definitely try out this recipe, share it with your family and friends, and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.